Today we are going to learn about the decimal and the fraction. पहले के वीडियो में हमने डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं वो सीखा है. उसके बाद में फ्रैक्शंस को डेसिमल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं वो भी सीखा है. Now in this video I am going to tell you how to convert the mixed fraction into the decimal fraction and the decimal fraction into the mixed fraction. Now let us start with that. So first of all, how to convert the decimals into the mixed fractions. So let us start with one first example. Convert the decimal numbers into the mixed fraction. Before starting the concept, I would like to tell you what is the mixed fraction means. I can recall that to you all. Mixed fractions means the fractions are having a whole number adding with that. Suppose I am having 2 and after that I am writing 1 by 2. So my mixed fraction will be 2 and 1 by 2. So that is called as a mixed fraction. Now I am having the decimal numbers and we have to convert the decimal numbers into the mixed fraction. So first in that is the first number which I have is 2.3. Now how to convert that? As I told you, first of all, to the 2.3, I have to convert it into the fraction. For that, as I told you, if we have to remove this decimal point, we have to write down the denominator, and for denominator, we need to write 10 and we can remove this 1 here. So I got the number is 23 by 10. So my fraction is 23 by 10, and we know, I would like to tell you, the number which we are converting into the mixed fraction always improper fraction. So you can see here the 10 is the denominator and 23 is numerator. So the improper fraction, in the improper fraction, when denominator is smaller than the numerator, or we can say numerator will be bigger than the denominator, that time we will say that fraction is a improper fraction. So improper fractions now converting into the mixed fraction. So for that, 23 divided by 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So this way I have to do first. First of all, we have to make the division of this. Now we are getting 3 as a remainder. So as we know, the 10 is denominator, तो ये number हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. Here will be 10, 2 will be here and 3 at the place of the numerator. So this is the conversion of 2.3 into the mixed fraction. I will repeat for you all. We have to convert 2.3, the decimal number 2.3 into the improper fraction first. For that, if we need to remove the decimal point, we have to take the denominator in tens multiple. So here, as we are having only one place after the decimal point, that's why I am taking 10 here. Once I got the improper fraction, we have to divide the number like this. By this way, we can get the remainder and the answer, and by denominator, we are dividing the number. So, our mixed fraction is 2 as a whole number and 3 upon 10. So, this is our answer. We can take one more example. 2.25. Now this is the number which I have, 12.25. Now how to convert? The procedure is the same. The decimal point we have to remove. Then we have to convert the number into the improper fraction, and that improper fraction then we have to convert into the mixed fraction. Okay. So answer is, for this is, as we are having the two numbers beyond the decimal points, that's why our improper fraction will be 1225 upon 100. I can write in these ways. So now this now convert into the mixed fraction. So for that we have to make the division. So 1225 can divided by 100. Okay. So division we all knows 100 here. So 22 is left. I am taking 5 as down, 2. Then I am getting 200 will here. So now is it 25 is left. So I am getting the 3 numbers in our answers place. I am getting 12. 100 is my divisor and 25 is my remainder. As we know 100 should be as at denominator place. जो भी improper fraction का denominator होता है, denominator never change. So I am writing 100 as it is. I want 1225. For that I need to write this 12 number here and I am adding 25. So my conversion of this number into the mixed fraction is this. So this is my answer. You have to remember आपको decimal point हटाना है. Then you have to convert the number into the improper fraction. Then you have to divide the number, make the division of the same, and then we are getting the mixed fractions. I hope you are clearing with the concept. For the better understanding, I am taking the last and one more example. 0.125. This is my number. Now you can say I am having 3 more numbers after the decimal point. So for that, I am writing this number as 3125 upon 1000. As I am having 3 numbers after the decimal point. Now again I am dividing the 3125 by 1000. So here I am getting 3000 directly I can write, and here 125. 1000 is my denominator that I can write as it is. 3 I am writing here and 125 I am adding. So this is my mixed fraction. So the answer for this, to convert the number 3.125, can be written in this ways into the mixed fraction. Okay. Now students, this is how to convert the decimal numbers into the mixed fraction. Now here I am going to teach you how to convert the mixed fraction into the decimal number. So it is easily understood that we have to reverse the process. So whatever the mixed number we are having, that we have to convert it into the improper fraction and then to the decimal point. So let us start with that. Now, how to convert the mixed fractions into the decimal numbers. Convert the mixed fractions into the decimal fraction. The question can be asked to convert it into the decimal fraction is 1 or to convert it into the improper fraction. So if it is asked to convert it into the improper fraction, we do not need to convert it into the decimal fraction. हमें सिर्फ improper fraction करके छोड़ देना है. और अगर ऐसे पूछते हैं तो convert it into the decimal fraction, then we have to again divide it. Okay, so let us start with this. First example, I am taking 5 2 upon 5. This is my mixed fraction. Now for converting this, I am having one formula. In that, the whole number is multiplying with the denominator and adding numerator and divided by denominator. This is the formula. So as per the formula, I am having 5 as a whole number. Then into 5 is a denominator and add the numerator. And I have the 5 as denominator. So from this I am getting 25 plus 2 and divided 5, and so my answer will be 27 by 5. Now this is my improper fraction. You can see my denominator is smaller than the numerator, so I got the improper fraction. अगर आपको पूछते हैं कि convert it into the improper fraction, so till here the answer is correct. But my question is to convert it into the decimal fraction. So for that, what I have to do is, I have to, what is given, 27 divided by 5. So I am writing 27 and divided by 5. So I am getting 4. 5 5s are 25. I am getting 2 over here. 2 I cannot convert. So I am taking, I cannot divide by 5. So I am taking decimal point. So I am writing here 20. I am taking 0. So 5 4s are 20. So what I am getting is a 5.4. So by this equation, 5.4 is my answer. See, what I am doing here, for the mixed fraction, I am converting that into the improper fraction. Improper fraction needs this formula. What it is? First of all, we have to see the whole number which is given in that is 5. So 5 is multiplying by denominator, and we have to add the numerator in that, and denominator will be as it is. So by this formula, I am getting improper fraction, and after doing the division of the same thing, I am getting this decimal number, that is a 5.4. This is how to convert the mixed fraction into the decimal fraction. Now one more example I am giving, and that will be the last one. How to convert the mixed fraction into the decimal number. For that I am having one more example, that is 14 and 1 upon 25. This is my mixed fraction. So as per our formula, we need to multiply whole number to the denominator and add a numerator in that, and our denominator will be as it. This is the fixed formula we have to keep always in our mind. When we are going to convert any mixed fraction or any mixed number into the improper fraction, we need to do in this ways. So accordingly, 14 into 25, I am adding 1 as numerator, and again divided by 25. Is the 70 is 0 here, and 7 I am writing here. 17 1 is 17, 72 is 28. Add 7 in that, 28, and when we add the 7, I got 35, and I need to add 1 in that. So I am getting 351 and divided by 25. Now convert it into the decimal point. For converting it, I need to make the division. Put this into the decimal point. For that, I need to divide the 351 divided by 25. So I am getting 25 ones are 25, 10 will be here. I am taking 1 down. So 25 fours are 100 I am getting. Now as we know, we have to convert it into the decimal point. If I am putting here point, here I am getting 0. So 25 zeros are 0. 10 will be as it is, and after the denominator decimal point, again 25 fours are I am getting 100. So this is my division. So you can see the decimal number is 14.04. So conversion of this number into the decimal fraction if we are doing, so we get the answer 14.04, and that is our required answer. So how to convert this number into the decimal point? For that, we have to convert this number into the improper fraction first, and then that improper fraction have to divide, and the number which we require is here. Thank you.